One away. Ah, foul ball. One good pitch. Ah! Go, 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 go! Short. That was a flat ball. Ah, that one's out. See ya. Oh. Oh. Ah. Okay. Oh no, it fell over.
What fell over?
My phone. Foul ball. Okay, here comes a good one.
Look,
Good one.
catching's up.
McCutcheon's up. Oh,
So Marte's up.
who's pitching?
Aaron Cavasso.
Oh. I thought,
Starling Marte up.
oh, I popped it up. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Out.
Starling Marte, good job.
Oh, that ball's going to hit you.
Ball warning.
There it comes. Home run. Ah.
Homie, into your garden.
Yep. Oh, he jammed me. Last pitch for all my fans. Major league action. Oh, bad pitch. Wait, one more. I got it. Here we go. Ready? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good pitch. Could have hit it. And I swing it back down.
Loser.
Last pitch. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Go on. Home run.
Loser.
Home run.